Good evening, sir. I'm Jay Shamchandra. Regarding number 467, switching theory and logic design. I want to choose one topic. The topic name is number system. What is number system? We have so many numbers are there, so many like that. Number system. We have some. We are using in stld or C program like other languages. We are using the number system. The main useful number system is binary. Binary was using in electronics and CSC, like that we are using. And also we are going to the topic number system. What is number system? Number system is something like I want to explain that number system. After that I have take some key points in a number system. What is the key points? We want to see the key points. First one is representation of numbers in different radix. What is radix? Radix is a number. Radix is a number. Like we want to see once. Radix. Radix, the number of different possible digits representing any number in a number system is known as radix. That means so number of different possible digits, like 10, 11, like that we want to take to represent it in what and like మనం ఇప్పుడు రాడిక్స్ లో రిప్రజెంట్ చేయాలంటే we take so many like binary, hexadecimal, like that we have some things we want to see. And another one we want to see some I couldn't tell all the like that we want to see another ones. Representation of number system in different radix. I said that in before slide. What is the radix? Like that I was concluded that we want to see the representation in different radix. Radix means what's the possible outcomes with random. The representation of different radix number systems. Radix means what the power of one number system, like binary 2, octal 8, like that. The radix was saying like that we want. First one, decimal radix means 10, power 10. After that it outcomes are 0 to 9. I sorry, I want to 0 to 9, like that we want to see 0 to something, 0 to 9. After that octal means 8. Radix is 8, means 8 numbers are there. We want to know something about the number system. We are taking we are taking the 0 means nothing. Why are you taking that means if we concluding the video, like I want to tell detailedly, like we are taking the odd any radix means a number system in decimal, octal, binary, hexadecimal. We want to see the first decimal means 1 to 9. Why we are taking 1 to 9 I couldn't understand. Means 1 to 9 we are taking like that one's what means if the formula of the one is n minus n minus 1 we want to take, like we have 10 numbers. 10 numbers, the output possible outcomes is 0 to 9. Why we are taking 0 to 9? Like we are take 1 to 10. I said that already. The number system we want to take n minus 1 means n value is 10, minus 1 means 9. That was the we are taking the number system decimal radix. 10 outcomes means 10. We are also counting the 0, like we have some equations. A1 like that we want to see. We want to take from like want to take n minus 1, like that we want to take notes. No notes. We want to take n is equals to want to take n is equals to n m minus 1, like that we take. After that we want to go to octal. Octal means power 8. Power 8 means 0 to 7. I was wrong in ppt. I want to check one time also. I want to replace the number. Okay, after we want to take octal. Octal means 0 to 7. And final one is, and the other most important thing is binary. Binary is so important. Binary have 0 comma 1 we are taking. That's why we are any code like we are number system. We take a decimal, octal, hexadecimal, binary, hexadecimal. Like we want to take something that was helpful. We are using only binary numbers so many times. It was useful to understand for the purpose. Like that we want to take like that. Hexadecimal means 0 to 9 numbers. We have 0 to 9 numbers. So what you are taking 16, also 16 up to 16 you are telling now. 0 to 9 the numbers are presenting. After that alphabets are presenting like 15, 1 0 to 15, like that we want to see. Hexadecimal also it is most important. The decimal, octal, binary, hexadecimal, it was useful for our stld subject. Like other things also we want to listen that. We want to taking the binary numbers and convert decimal into binary into octal, like that we want to take. After the another slide we want to see the key points are over. After that we want to see another slide. Conclusion, decimal to binary. What we are talking, concluding decimal to binary, conversion, sorry, conversion decimal to binary. I couldn't understand what in the last ppt. I tell what means in the I tell decimal, hexadecimal, octal. These are depending on the binary. Binary numbers are only placing or 0 or 1. It's useful, and we want to use the logic. We couldn't use the logic. It was not useful for that. While we are understanding the concept, it is useful stla, like a successive division of a given decimal number by radix where r not equals to 10 or not. I said that the formula is n minus 1. N is equals to n is equals to n is equal to n minus 1. Like we conclude that here it is not possible the version becomes 0 and note down the all the reminders received there. After that we want to see another one. As I said, conversion octal to binary. What is conversion octal to binary? Means grouping successive 3 or more finally bits, replacing each group with a single digit equivalent in octal. Means we are converting. I said that in a previous slide. I said that now we are using only binary to convert the octal to binary. We want to convert. Means it is easy thing. After we are only using the division only. We are not using the multiplication. Like that, a binary is very useful and understanding the bits. What you we have bits like 30, like 16 up to 32, 128, like that. You want to see another slide. Some example I was taken that What is 30 divided by divided by 2? What is the outcome? 13 divided by 2 means we are coming 6. 6 like what? We have borrow one another one. Like we want to see 6 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 means you have like that. 3 divided by 2 and equals to 1. Last final one is 1 divided by 2 is equals to 0, and the final answer is G1 1 0 0 1. Like that we want to take the final answer. After that we want to see some applications also. We have some applications like we want to see now what is the applications. Computing and electronics. We are using the number system in computing and electronics. So many in electronics we so many things we are using like stld subject like other we want to using. The main important concept is number system. Number system is useful for our 4 years like in electronics also, and also the CSC branches. Oh, they are using. Second one we want to see. Second one, what? All digits devices operating using binary system. I said that the point all in previous thing. We are using via binary numbers. It is so simple. We are concluded that. After that we want to take hexadecimal, decimal, octal. It was some lengthy process. This was useful. Like we want to see web development. Hexadecimal codes are using. Example also I want to give an here. After networking we are using the coding zeros and one. It happens what means it is very useful. Like we couldn't hack the machines. We want to use the some applications. IP address often some they some IP address means there are zeros and ones. I couldn't understand what is zeros and ones. The number system we want to hack now. We want to have name also other thing. We have the decimal means it was useful like that. After that gaming also we want to code the cover. Next, game logic and graphics rendering on binary operations, cyber security undertaking the hexadecimal. Thank you, sir.